In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your data right here in Google Sheets. So whether that's your row, your column, or your tabs, this is how you can hide your data here in Google Sheets. So I have this example data set, and if I, let's say, want to get started in hiding my rows, what I'm going to do is to go to the left side where the numbers are located, which are your reference for your rows. If I wanted to, let's say, hide row number 4 right here, I'm just going to click on that row number on the left side, which will select my entire row. Then I'm going to right click on it and select hide row. If I click on that, there you have it. You will obviously see that row number 4 is not going to be seen here anymore, and you'll have those arrows, which will allow you to expand on that hidden row or to show that hidden row. But we're not going to do that. We're going to let that row hide there for now and move on to our columns. So that's our rows. Now for our columns, again, we're going to do the same thing basically. If you want to select an entire column, just click at the top, which are the letters. These are your references for your columns. So if I wanted to hide column B, I'm going to click on it right at the top. And again, I've selected the entire column. I'm going to right click again and select the same option, which is this time hide column. So it's still hide. We had our hide row here, and now we have our hide column. Click on that, and here we have it. Our column B is now hidden, and obviously it's in between our A and C, but we cannot see it unless we do, again, click on the expand option right here. And last but not least, if you wanted to hide an entire sheet or tab, what you're going to do is to go to the bottom right here, right next to your tab name, or your sheet name would be your drop down. If you click on that, here are your options. Now, since we only have one sheet on this file, we will not be able to select our hide sheet option. So that's one thing you should remember when trying to hide your sheets. Of course, if it's the only sheet that exists in your spreadsheet, you won't be able to hide it unless you do hide the entire file, which we actually cannot do. So if we added another sheet right here by clicking on that plus sign on the leftmost part of your tabs, we now have added a new sheet. But if we wanted to hide our sheet number 1, just go back to it, click on that same drop down. There you go. And now we can select our hide sheet. It's not grayed out anymore. If we click on this one, sheet has been hidden, use the view menu or this one right here to be able to see all of your hidden tabs. And that's how you can hide your data here in Google Sheets. So if you want to go back and unhide all of the data that you've hidden, we can simply click on it with this all sheets right here. So click on that. It will show all of your sheets, whether that's hidden or not. So if we wanted to show that tab or sheet, just click on it and here it is. Let's go back to our column. If we want to unhide that column, again, just click on these arrows right here and that will expand your hidden columns, now showing it with the rest of your data. And last but not least, our rows. We have our hidden row right here. Again, just click any of those arrows that will expand your rows. And here we have it. So now we're back to our original data, but that is how you can hide your rows, your columns, and your sheets right here in Google Sheets. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.